Hi YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make an airsoft grenade, and your supplies you're going to need is some airsoft BBs, ping pong ball, speed loader, duct tape, and a knife. So first of all, you'll take your ping pong ball, just make a little tiny hole at the top. Not too tiny, but you know, it's kind of hard sometimes. There. So I got that right there. And then now after that, you make one slit down here. And then you cut it right here. And you do the same thing for the other side. So yeah, you do the same thing for the other side. Okay. You can see, I don't know if you can see it too good, but and then you have that, and then the other side you poke a hole right here again. You do the same thing. Just poke it right there. Go down. So you see what I mean. So once you get done with that, you just fill it with, you get duct tape, and you get one piece like this, about this big. I mean, like I kind of ripped it right there, so get that right there, and you get another piece to go over it, like this, so the BBs don't get stuck to it when you're ready to use it. So kind of look like something like this, and you can put that down, whatever. You know, so fix that. So once you got that, you can start filling it with BB. So I got my speed loader. I didn't just put 150 in there. I just filled the ping pong ball up. So, or you can do this. You can just fill it up with BB. Stick the grenade, put my ball in there's a hole, and just fill it with BBs to the top. And then when you get done with that, so it looks like that. And then you put some duct tape right over the top of it. So, and then you can take it out. Then I'll show you how to use it. So let's go downstairs. Let's go outside and show you how to use it. So I'm about to show you how to use. I'll show you how to use it. So show you down here. So when you're ready to use it, you can just take all the duct tape off. So like if you're using it in a battle, you just take all the duct tape off. Sometimes the BBs get stuck to the duct tape. Sometimes they fall out too. Okay, so when you get it like that, it's kind of hard not to let the BBs fall out. This one, you might have to cut the hole a little bigger to get the maximum BBs, but you can see the thing go. Maybe you could have saw all the BBs on the ground. Some around here. Just everywhere. So thank you for watching how to make an airsoft grenade with Airsoft Nerds 212. Thank you.